Hello kids, welcome you all in mathematics class. Today's topic is money. Children, under this topic we will study about currency of India, expression in words and figures of money, conversion of rupees into paise and paise into rupees, addition and subtraction of money. Yes, definitely we will study about the early time money and the present days money that we are using. Now, first of all, we will talk about currency. What is currency? The money that is used in a particular country is called its currency. Currency is a medium of exchange for goods and services. In short, it's money in the form of paper or coins, usually issued by a government and generally accepted at its face value as a method of payment. For example, India's currency is rupee and European currency is euro. Similarly, in America, the currency is dollar. So, we may see that each country has their particular currency and it has some face value that is used for the method of payment. Currency of India. Indian currency is rupee and paise. Rupee is represented by the symbol R that is written in Hindi and slide off by a single line, and paise is noted by small letter P. The commonly used currency in the paper form is rupees 10, 50, 100, 200, 500 and 2000. The first known paper bank notes were appeared in China. In all, China experienced over 500 of early paper money, spanning from the 9th through the 15th century. Children, you know, over this period, paper notes grew in production to the point that their value rapidly depreciated and inflation soared. With the paper currency, the British government got serious with the business of banknotes. Since then, banks lost their right to issue currency, leaving only the state in charge of it. These notes came along to be the first official paper note by a government in India. The coins in the early and the present days. Children, you know when these coins originate, how it came in the market, how it was decided, and when it was decided that there should be a method of payment or maybe of exchange of things, of goods through the coins. Coin age of India began anywhere between early first millennium BCE to the 6th century BCE and consisted mainly of copper and silver coins in its initial stage. Means in the early times the coins were made of copper and silver. The kingdoms that minted their own coins were there in India. Coins of the Indian rupee were first minted in 1950. New coins have been produced annually since then and they make up a valuable aspect of the Indian currency system. Today, circulating coins exist in denominations of 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. All of these are produced by four mints located across India in Kolkata, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Uttar Pradesh. Let's learn how to express the amount in words and in figures. When we have to express it in words, we write in alphabets, means rupees in words and the amount in words. Here I have taken an example, rupees 45 and paise 30. This is the long form to write, and in short we may write like rupee symbol with numeral digits, means rupee 45.30, but we read it together 45.30. That shows that 45 is showing to rupees and 30 is representing to paisa. Decimal is dividing rupee and paisa. It is separating both the money, both the amount that is in rupees and that is in paisa. Conversion of rupees into paise and paise into rupees. Now we have to follow these steps when we have to convert rupee into paisa and paisa into rupees. To convert it into paise, we multiply the amount with 100 because rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. Here we have taken this example. Rupee 34 will be multiplied by 100 when we have to convert it into paise, and we will get 3400 paise. On other hand, if there is amount that is in rupee and paisa both, then we will only convert the rupee value and we will add the paisa value in the converting number, like 12.50. 12 is representing to the rupee and 50 is representing to the paisa. So 12 will be multiplied by 100 plus 50, that will give 1250 paise. Just opposite to that, when we have to convert paise into rupees, we divide the amount by 100. For example, 5678 paise when have to convert into rupee will be divided by 100 will give rupees 56.78. Decimal is separating here rupee and paisa. 56 is showing the rupee value and 78 is showing the paisa value. Similarly, in the next example, 3250 paisa converted to rupee will give 32 rupees 50 paisa, 32.50. So we will read it like this, rupee 32.50. Now we will learn about the addition and subtraction of money. Children, it is very simple to add and subtract money. We have to consider only the decimal place. For these, we will follow these steps. Express amount in figures. First of all, if the amount given in the words, we will represent it in the numeric value, like 490.78 paise. We will write the amount that is written before decimal under the rupee column and paise under the paise column, means 78 will be written under the paise column. The next step that we have to follow, that we will keep them in column properly and we will keep the decimal place correctly, means decimal, the number given above should have the same place of decimal wherever the below one. The third step that we will follow, the normal operation of subtraction or addition according to the sum. If we want to add, we will do addition normally and we will do subtraction normally, because the whole process is same as in the large numbers. Children, I hope you have enjoyed the video and learning money and its operations.